Hey everybody, this is Stephanie from Charmed Southern Home. Welcome to my sale on virtual home decor marketplace this evening. Let's see, hope y'all can see me good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you see something you like, just comment with the number and leave me your email and zip code if you haven't shopped with me before. I ship from West Virginia. I use Square, but if you request PayPal, I'll use PayPal. I think that's everything, so let me try to adjust my phone here where y'all can see me good. All right, next, so first item tonight, this is a gingerbread on a brown and white speckled enamel cup, and then I've made a little arrangement in there. I've got another one that has the handle on the opposite side, and then I have a bigger one, so if you happen to would want the set, they would look cute sitting together. So this first one is number 197 and it is $14. $197 for $14. And it is about 7.5 inches high. So about 7.5 inches. I'm only on for 15 minutes tonight, so I'm gonna just try to keep on moving here. This is the one with the opposite handle, and it is number 102 for 14. 102 for 14 for that one. And then I have the larger one. The bigger one I did paint on both sides. And this one is about 8.5 inches tall. It does have a wider base on it. And this one is number 104 and it is $16. 104 for 16. All right. Y'all will have to let me know for my next sale. Let me know if you're looking for gingerbread or snowman or fall, so I'll know what to have ready for you. All right. Next up, I have a wood block that's been painted, hand painted. It says Saved by Grace. And then it has the rag bow on top with the pip berries. It's number 157 and it is $14. 157 for 14. And it is almost 9 inches tall. So almost 9 inches. Okay. All right, I have. You could use this as a wreath, or you could use this as a centerpiece and put a vase or set a pumpkin in the middle of it. It's a cotton ball wreath, and it is the frame on it is 12 inches, and then you can adjust these and spread them out further than that if you want to. I only have one. It's number 121 for $18. 121 for 18. Okay, next up. I have pumpkins, 5 cents. If you follow my page, you saw me post a set of these. I had someone order a set of these in different sizes last week, and they were super cute. So I have this one available, and it is about 13 inches tall, and it's number 200, and it is $16. 200 for $16. Next one, I have this blue enamel coffee pot with a fall arrangement. It does have a candle that has a timer in it, and it will stay on for, I believe, 6, on for 6, off for 18, I think. It's number 10, and it is $28. Number 10 for $28. All right, let's see. And this was part of one of my sneak peeks that I posted yesterday. If you follow my page, you saw a little bit at the bottom of this. So this has been a fun piece to make. I painted it. The can came with the popcorn design on it, and I just added the gingerbreads. So the gingerbreads are hand painted on there by me. And then I made this arrangement up in the top of it. Thought it would be cute for Christmas in a kitchen. It's about 16 inches tall, and it's number 169 for $40. 169 for $40. Really cute gingerbread in there. I only have one of these, so one of a kind. Okay. Next, I have my scarecrow. This is made of solid wood. It's about 16 inches tall, hand painted. If you want a bow or like a patch or something added to it, just let me know, or if you want something written on it, I can do that. It's number 139 and it is $40. 139 for $40. He's all hand painted. He is solid wood. And I have this cute one on here. If you guys are saying hi, hi back to you. And I can't see comments right now, so I will check those after I get off of here. If you have any questions, I'll get back to you. Next, I have, this is a wooden board, and it's got a wire hanger on it, a heavy duty wire hanger. The whole thing with the hanger measures about 17 inches tall. It's got the flowers, and it's got the tag that says fall. And it's got this cute scarecrow hat hanging there. This is number 128 and it is $24. 128 for $24. You can hang that on an interior door. If you have a little place you want to decorate, or like a bathroom door somewhere that you don't really think about putting stuff. Okay, this was my sneak peek that I posted today on the marketplace. So this is a sort of a vintage bowl. It's a wooden bowl. It does have a marking on the bottom of it. I can't really tell what it says. It starts with an M and ends with ING. So I'm not really sure. I left it kind of in the original condition on the outside. It's kind of got a little bit of distressing on it. I thought that looked neat on it, so I left it alone. And then I painted a gingerbread face on the inside of it. The top of the bowl measures about 10 3/4 inches across. 10 3/4 inches. You could set it on a table, or you could prop it up if you had like a wide plate stand. It's number 179 and it is $30. 179 for $30. Really cute, cute gingerbread face. Let's see. I have a few towels for you this evening. I have this Halloween one. They're really cute neon designs. It says boo, and the holder says hey boo. I added a bow right here. This one, because of the way the wording is, I had to put the button on the back. So you just fasten it with the button on the back of, so the button won't show, and then you have your bow there on the front. So anyway, this is number 131 for $12. I have a couple of these available. And then this one's a really cute sparkly spider web with a spider on it. This one, really, you could turn this one around either way. And it's number 153 for $12. 153 for $12. I have a couple of those. This next one here, I wasn't sure what to do with this one. So this one is a football theme. And then I was either going to give you the option of like the tan with it or the black. So I like either of those, but if you have a team collar that you would like, let me know and I'll see what I have. If I have something that would work, and we can match something up for you. But this is number 191 for $12, and I'm only going to have 2 of these available. And these are some of the collars that I would have. I have a couple of shades of blue, gray, I have a red, and then of course I have the black and the brown. And then one more that I wasn't sure which color. It just depends on your decor, how you like it. This one's a cute bee towel, and it's got like a honeycomb design in the towel. And it looks good with the black, but it also looks good with the brown. So it just depended on your style. It's number 105 for $12. Just let me know if you want the black or the brown with it. Let's see if I can get it to where you can see it with the bee there. This one I'll only have one. So only one of the bee. It is really cute though. All right. What else? I do have a snowman. This is a really cute wood snowman. I'm taking the candle out to set down instead of the number. So this has got, it comes with a little primitive votive or tea light candle. I can't think what it's called. And I added a scarf and greenery there on him. He is number 193 for $14. $193 for $14 for that cute little snowman outline. Let's see what time it is. I've got 5 minutes. I have another snowman here. This is on just like a little metal pedestal pan, and painted the snowman face on there, and then I tied the bow around it. If you want a different color bow, let me know. This one's just like green plaid. It's number 93 for $12. 93 for $12 for him. I also have the green scarecrow head. If you'd rather have a green one, and just let me know if you'd like to add a bow or a tag or anything like that on there. If you want a name or something, I can do that. It's number 185 for $40 for the green one. 185. We got some kind of stormy looking skies out there today, so hopefully that won't interrupt us. All right, next I have some potato mashers. You get the candle with it as a timer votive candle. It's not votive. It's like it's a small pillar candle. It's not really a votive. It's bigger than that. And then it has the rag bow on there. This one is number 123 for $20. 123. And then this one has like a lighter wood handle on it. And then it has this little burlap leaf on there. It's number 148 and it is $20. All right. Next, I have a few mixer outfits. This is one of my mixer outfits. This one has lots of different little fall things on there. It has birds and leaves and acorns. It reverses to a green, really pretty green. And then it comes with the headband. So here's the headband that comes with that one. You get the 2-piece set. They're $24 for the set. It's number 162 for this one. And I can make a couple more of that one, I'm pretty sure. And then I have this really, really cute gingerbread one with Santas, candy canes, peppermints. And then this one reverses to the peppermints. And then here's the headband that comes with that one. You can put the headband on the other way if you wanted to reverse the pattern on it. You could do that. This one's number 75. 75. These are $24 for a set. Then I also have roosters. Really pretty chickens. Reverses to chicken wire. Reverses to chicken wire. So here is the set. For that one, you don't have to tie the headband. It comes already tied for you. Number 174 for that one. All you do is just slip it on the top of your mixer. And one more. I got 1 minute. This is my last one probably. This is a nutcracker, but they're kind of done in like a gingerbread style. Gingerbread nutcrackers. And this reverses to a red, like a holly pattern. And there's your bow. This one's number 73. Number 73 for that set. All right. I think that's all I've got time to show you tonight. So I'll probably be back next week. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to invoice tonight. Up next is Kathy with RK Wreaths Woodcrafts, so be sure you refresh your screen, and she will be right up here in just a minute. If you catch the replay, let me know that you watched the replay so I can say hi back to you, and I appreciate you spending some time with me this weekend on this holiday weekend, and see you again soon. Bye, everybody.